In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Yahoo email into Gmail, making it a smooth and efficient process. First things first, make sure you're signed into your Gmail account. While this might seem obvious, it's a crucial step to ensure that everything goes smoothly from the start. Having access to your Gmail account is vital, as it allows us to make all the necessary configurations without a hitch. Once you're signed in, turn your attention to the top right corner of the Gmail interface. Here, you'll notice a gear icon, which is essentially your gateway to all the settings you'll need. Go ahead and click on this icon. After doing so, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this list, you'll want to select the option that says See All Settings. This choice will direct you into the more detailed configuration space within Gmail, where we can make the necessary changes for importing your Yahoo emails. Once you've accessed the full settings menu, look for the tab labeled Accounts and Import. Clicking on this tab is essential, as it encompasses all of the tools you'll require for this import process. At this stage, you'll come across several options, but the one you're specifically looking for is Import Mail and Contacts. Click on it to initiate the process of transferring your Yahoo emails into your Gmail account. A new window will then open up, asking you to enter your Yahoo email address. Type it in carefully and then hit Continue. It's important to ensure your Yahoo email address is entered correctly in order to avoid any hitches later in the process. Following that, you'll be prompted to sign into your Yahoo account. This step serves to authorize the connection between Yahoo and Gmail, thereby allowing Gmail to gather the emails you've chosen to import. Once you're logged into your Yahoo account, a prompt will appear, asking you to agree to let Gmail access your Yahoo account. Click Agree to allow the import to proceed. This step is crucial since it grants Gmail the necessary permissions to carry out its task. After this, you'll be asked to select what exactly you'd like to import, be it emails, contacts, or both depending on your specific needs. This flexibility is wonderful if you have particular elements you wish to transfer. After making your selections, proceed by clicking Start Import. This action sets the migration in motion, transferring your chosen emails and contacts over to Gmail. Finally, once everything is underway, a dialog box will confirm that the process has started. Simply click OK to finish up. Keep in mind that depending on how much data you're transferring, it might take a little while for everything to fully import. And there you have it. Your Yahoo emails and contacts are on their way to joining your Gmail inbox, effectively simplifying your digital communications onto a single platform.